So guys, please turn on your cameras and we say hello to everyone. This is our last day of the competition, of the challenge, and this is our common meeting for aerobatic skill. So I see many of you want to sleep, of course, because today is a Sunday weekend. Oh, team from Brazil. When you sleep. Perfect. Okay, guys. So, are you ready to say hello? Hello, everybody. You can unmute your microphone and say it. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Yeah. Great. Perfect. Okay, so I'm really great to see you in our last meeting of this competition. And today the meeting will be not so long. I would like to tell you some interesting information about your next steps in the aerial robotics. And I think we can start. And also you will have opportunity to share with us your laboratory, your maybe organization, maybe some words about your drone laboratory and some interesting project of it. I think it will help to make next cooperation between us, and it will be more effectively. Oh, I see some people who late. So guys, I suggest to say them hello again. Hi Ilya, hi Deepak, hi I see Damian. So guys, okay, I suggest to say hello again with cameras. Guys, please turn on your cameras. Ilya, Damian, Ждал, Прохолад, Igor. Yeah, perfect. Yash.
Just 1 second.
Samyua. So guys, and after this hello, we will start our final meeting. Okay, I don't see Igor, Ashutosh. Yeah, Prakhalad, yeah, I see you. Great, perfect. Turn on your cameras, guys. Yeah. Yash, we didn't see you. Oh, okay, we see Ilya. And Deepak, what about you? Evgeny, yeah, Yash is here. Zhetao. Okay, guys. So unmute your microphones, say hello, and we will start.
Hi, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, great, perfect. Thank you. So, let's start. And of course, we start from the presentation. I'm going to share my screen. Just a moment. Yeah, hope you see my screen. And we will start. Okay, so first of all, this is our. I would like to express to WorldSkills Russia our appreciation, and of course during this competition they support us, and also many thanks to our educational partners, that University of Aerospace Instrumentation. These guys were with us all time, and their team supports this competition and each step all time. It was really amazing for all of us. And of course, the main, the most important thing of each event, I think, it's people, it's an organizing team, and of course, I would like to say many thanks to Yulia and Timofey, Tatiana and Ilya for supporting. And of course, a team from the SUAE University, Nikolai Mayorov and Nikita Bogatov. So this team is awesome, and this event was really good. And thank you, this organizing team too. So some final statistics, some final moments of this competition. So this event united 5 countries, and we have 10 teams on our aerial robotics skill. It's a really great progress, because it's the previous Brics competitions. In previous year, 2019, we have only 3 or 4 countries, but in this event, we have united all countries. It's really great. Thank you, guys. It's a really good achievements. So some words about our competition management center. So it was located at the St. Petersburg, and here you can see some amazing photos from our flight zone, from our center. So as you can see here, this is a control center of drones. Here it's a flight zone for drones, and this is your favorite Aruka maps and QR codes. And this really great flight zone, it allows us to launch several drones in one time. Some words about the equipment which we have used. It was a co-explorer on our remote venue. So, and as you know, of course, these drones allows us to get engineering skill using assembly, upgrade piloting skills, and have a focus on programming, of course. So this platform can support many languages such as Python, C++, computer vision, and robotic operating system. So this system open source, and you can use this platform. You can use this platform to start to learn any skills, and of course interesting facts of it. If you use clovers such as educational drone, so you can move your project, your solution, move to industrial drones, such as big drones, such as a Pelican, and because they have used one electronic, one flight controller, and a single board computer are same, and it's a really great solution. Start from the educational drones and move to industrial drones. So we have prepared some statistics. So during this challenge, you have used gazebo simulation, you have used real autonomous drones. So all competitors performed this task, and it was really amazing. So we provided more than 100 autonomous flights during the competition days, during the preparation days. During this task, you have learned the Python language, gazebo simulation, computer vision. You can upgrade your skill in the creating of virtual world. And also you demonstrate us the skill as working with a real drone. And the main important thing, I think, it's that is all solution of this task will be opened, and all of you can use it. And next, improve your skill in the programming or more. It is really great. So, and moreover, during the competition, experts work on the real tasks, such as experts. So I would like to say many thanks our amazing mentors, Demian Mooney and Nikita Bagatov, for their great job. This activity helps to experts get new knowledge and get new practice, and and uh, use this knowledge in their country, in their educational process. It was really amazing. So also I think experts, you will share your your skill to your students, and now you can work together on any projects. So it was really amazing. Thank you, guys. So some words about results. You know that we have finalized the assessment, and I think you want to know about your points, about your finalist points, about your scores. But tomorrow you will know about the results. It will be at the closing and awarding ceremony during the Brics Future Skills Challenge. So you will connect to Zoom, and you will see, and we will see it on you, and we will know your progress during this Brics challenge within for aerorobotic skills. So closing and awarding ceremony will be held in 2 p.m. by Moscow time in Zoom. So all links we will share with you tomorrow. Yeah, and one more thing. So tomorrow we will prepare it for you really amazing video, and you can watch it. So guys, as I said before, for each event, for each maybe great ideas. So then that important, it's the people resources. So the people, the most important part of the each event, of each activity. So this is a really great that we have met on this place, and really everyone was cool. So guys, look at this photo, look at these happy faces. You have got not only challenge task, you have got new meetings, networking, and more interesting and amazing emotions during this camp. And I really congratulate you with took a part of in this event, in this Brick Skills Challenge. And I think our meetings it's only first step with somebody, and it's one of the systematic work with them people who has involved in our community before. And each event give us new opportunities, new possibilities, new ideas for next cooperation. And that is why Brics Future Skills Challenge is a really useful and amazing event. And also our team our team was supporting you during this time, and I would like to share with you our some amazing photos uh, uh, from our remote venue. So yes, it was a really great experience for us too. So now I would like to suggest you share with us experience of your laboratory. So you can share in the screen. So this is a time for change, for changing experience, for changing ideas, and some time for demonstrating your workplace. So only 2 minutes for for quick talk with some photo, guys. Please, let's start. I think we can start from Russian laboratory. Um, okay, Nikita, could you start it?
Yes, Svetlana, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everyone. Can you hear me properly?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, very well. So now I will start my screen demonstration. Have you given me the rules? Yes, I see you have given. It's okay. So, one moment. Yeah. So, good afternoon to everyone once again. I hope that during our competition you have already familiarized yourself with our laboratory. Once again, I will share with you our photos of our air zone, of flight zone, of our assembling zone and meeting zone. Now we have a lot of good ideas about the also education processes in our laboratory, and of course about the project management in our laboratory. For example, we have some ideas about the uh, warehouse identification using drones. So if you would like to share with us also your ideas or your thoughts about the implementing the usage of radio identification with drones, so we are open to discussion. We would like to discuss it with you sometimes. Also, of course, we have a lot of programs of education in our laboratory. You can also discuss with us if you want to do some the same cooperation with our laboratory. And we would like to maybe sometimes make a special meeting for all of you where I and our team leader would like to share with you the existing education processes. For example, we have also education about the assembling drones, coding drones, modeling. We are also developing now the courses about the gazebo modeling, and really we are open for cooperation. So I think, Svetlana, you said me that we should be quickly today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that
Only
will...
the important things which you have do?
Yeah. Maybe at least one of the most important things I already told you, that we are working very fast. Yes, I already told you that our laboratory has just opened in February. Yeah, and the official opening was only in September. And already within 2 months, we have become the hub, yes, the working place of the International World Skills Championship. So I think that we have a great ambitions for the next years, and I really hope that we will save for this positive way of our assembling, of our education, and I think that we will achieve a lot of good results. So thank you very much for your cooperation during this championship, and I really hope that we will not lose these connections and use them in the future. So thank you very much once again, and have a nice day.
Thank you, Nikita. Thank you very much. So who will be next? I think mm, maybe if we have started from Russia. So Igor, what do you think? Are you ready to share with us your projects? We don't hear you.
Oh, okay. Now you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I demonstrate my screen. My English not very good, and I want more see for all countries photos and some ideas for our laboratory. Mm, uh, Now you see our working area for participations of the final of the national championship on September 20, 2020. Okay.
2020.
2020. Thank you. It's our photo 2 flight zone. It's big flight zone and some safety coop for autonomous flight. And in the right corner, you can see our laboratory with stands from coax for Света, помоги, балансировка пропеллера.
Proper balance.
Proper balance and um, accumulator balance too. Two stands. On this slide, you can see some photos from educational process for students of our specialty operation of unmanned aircraft system. It's middle education specialist for second name drone operating or UAV operator or operation of unmanned aircraft system. Okay, it's education process. Our areas of work of the Go Drone Skills Laboratory, you can see all общий план.
Front view, common view.
Common
overall view, yeah.
Overview. Okay, thank you. Overview of laboratory. What about plan and areas of laboratory? It's of course teaching students, preparation for competitors for World Skills Championships, and participation in various projects related to unmanned aircraft and aerial robotics. See you. It's all.
Okay. Thank you, Igor. Yeah, it's amazing photo. So this is a view from your window or view from the laboratory window. Okay, thank you. So I think, thank you, Russian team. So, okay, we will continue, and maybe the next will be Diwang. So, what do you think? Welcome, Diwang.
Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Oh, good evening, yeah.
Well, can you see my screen?
Yes, yeah, we see, yeah.
Okay. So this drone operation is actually a quite hard thing for us because we know nothing about programming at first, but we did learn a lot during this process. And usually, because we are from the Department of Surveying and Mapping, so usually we use drones to mainly in aerial survey and do some mapping job maybe. And we did plan to continue to attend more competitions like this. And actually, my team members, they are not here today because they have been to another competition in China within our country. Yeah, about the drone assembly and the drone operation in speed. Yeah, maybe that kind of competition. And we do hope that we can learn more from other countries because we, during this process, during these several days, we have really learned a lot from you guys. And I hope that in the future, we can continue to communicate with each other and to learn more about the drones from you guys. And some personal ideas from myself. That is my favorite thing about this competition is a gazebo because it enables us to do some programming without the actual instrument, without the actual drone. And I think that's a quite excellent thing. And maybe in the future, we can introduce this software to more people and to arouse their interest in the drone operation, maybe. Yeah, thank you, guys.
Thank you, Diwang. So it's really interesting, and so it's really good that you in your laboratory you have a focus on the aerial surveying and mapping, but this competition, this trend will you opportunity to know something new and upgrade your drones using new knowledge. It's really amazing, I think. Okay, so
yeah, it's really amazing. Yeah, it provide us with a new view of how to using the drones in the future.
yeah. Thank you. So the team who will be next. Okay, team from Brazil. Team from Brazil ready to share with us their experience.
Okay. Bruno? Okay. Hello, everyone, and good morning for all. Now I show you some pictures about my workspace. And some pictures showing the drone, the Brazilian drone, and the workspace. In Brazil, we are beginners in the drone technology in this moment, but we intend development more in this technology.
Because now we don't have courses about drones in Brazil, but we see that it will be necessary for developing the technology in our country. And this is our Brazilian flag, and you can see all competitors in our workspace that training for some future skills and some another traditional skills. And it is.
What about competitors in the Brazilian flag? So for which skill you participated? It's only for aerobatic skill, or it's all skill?
Mm-hmm. These competitors are participating in a lot of skills. For example, additive manufacturing skills, drone aerobotic skills, and another one's traditional skills as joinery and the mechanical engineering design. These competitors are training in this workplace.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Thank you, team from Brazil. And it is really great that you have a quick growth in your laboratory. So, and really great that the Chinese team and Brazilian team have been involved in this aerial robotics recently, and you demonstrate really good skill. Okay, thank you. So I think we can go to the next. Next will be team from South Africa. What do you think? Jacques or Damien, are you ready to demonstrate with us your projects from your laboratory?
Yeah, no problem. Can you guys hear me all right?
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, fantastic stuff. All righty, let's see if I can share my screen here. All right. Okay, I'm going to cheat a little bit. We had a video that we shared with you guys in July. So some of you might have seen it already, but what I'll do is I'll just play the video in the background just to give you an idea of what we do in the lab, and I'll just talk over the top of it if that's all right. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, are you guys seeing that so far?
No, we didn't hear about the voice.
Okay, but you can hear me talking over this video, is that all right?
We hear only your voice from Zoom.
Oh, that's fine then. Let me rather just talk over it. You heard it all last time. All right, good afternoon, everyone. I am Damien Mooney, and myself and Jacques Welgemuth are from South Africa, a university down on the coast called Nelson Mandela University in Port Elizabeth. We're a university who focus quite a bit on engineering, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, and electrical engineering. And we got to a stage where our students were wanting to do their master's and PhD students relating to drones. So we formed a hub, an incubator for the students where they can come to us and we will help them to fast track their drones. We'll teach them how to build drones faster so they can spend more time doing the research work and not so much the building work. So we don't have a teaching facility. We have essentially a workshop where we just build things as quickly as we can. We come from various backgrounds. A lot of us are commercial pilots. A lot of us actually build full-size aircraft as well. So quite a bit of expertise there, but not so much on the programming side, the COEX side. So this has all been very new for us as well. In fact, when we arrived in Russia last year, we knew nothing, to put it mildly. We've never seen a COEX drone before. So we've learned a lot very quickly. And that's actually, that's a good sign. It's a acknowledgement of COEX's work. In other words, the way they've put out their education, the way they've done the material online is fantastic. We've learned a lot very quickly. So for the first time now, we're actually starting to use some of your code. Jacques especially is starting to do a little bit of work there. What else can we tell you? This is all work that we've done for master's students pretty much up until, let's say, April this year. Then obviously things went very quiet. And we've been working quietly on our large-scale VTOL, which I'll show you after this video. We've been tasked from one of our departments, from our marine department, to actually build a drone that can lift 100 kilograms vertically and then fly it out about 50 kilometers out to sea and then lower that equipment into the ocean. So that's been our main task. So we've been doing that quietly in a warehouse for the past few months. So I'll show you the videos of that. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to do any flying at the moment, so we're only doing hover tests. In fact, this little drone that's flying now was the very first test of VTOL. So it looks very basic, but it proved a lot of concepts to us. And we want to use petrol motors in our VTOL. So you can see us testing one of our petrol motors there. That's Jacques holding onto the first body of our VTOL. It's about 7 meters long, 7 meters wide. It can carry 100 kilograms. And yeah, it's got about 3 kilowatts of battery on board. All right, so that was just an overview of some of the projects we do in the lab. And then I'll show you what we're actually working on this year. All right, let's stop that. And how do we get rid of that? I will be with you in a second.
And great video and good comments.
All right, hang on a second. I'm just going to show you one more video there.
No
Sorry
problem.
about that. It's
No
sorted.
problem. It's okay. It's okay.
100%. And then, okay, let's see if we can get this. All right, I mentioned that for the past 6 months, we've been working on a VTOL aircraft. Let's see if I can show you an idea of what it looks like. Probably down at the bottom here somewhere. All right. I don't know if you guys can see that photo there.
Yeah.
Right. So we've built an aircraft which can take off vertically, obviously transition out to sea and then lower equipment into the ocean, and fairly heavy equipment. We're carrying almost like mini submarines that weigh 100 kilograms, taking them out to sea. The main concept here, as you can see, we've got 2 main motors on the fuselage. You can't quite see the other one, and they can tilt through 90 degrees. So this motor can push for vertical lift, and then it can fold back and offer forwards flight as well. And we're actually using petrol motors for these 2. But for the testing we're doing this year, we've had to use electrical motors just because of legalities. We're not allowed to use the petrol motors now. But for the testing, we're using petrol. And then just to give you, for testing, we're using electrical. And then just to give you an idea of what this looks like when it's trying to fly, let's have a look. We're still waiting for paperwork in South Africa to actually do test flights on this aircraft. So all flying we've done so far has had to be indoors, which is quite scary. Because as this aircraft is being tested here, it's been loaded to 75 kilograms. So that's 75 kilograms of aircraft there. And the people standing around the edges, including Jacques, you can just see Jacques over there. No, there he is on that side there. Their job is just to make sure the aircraft doesn't hit anything, because obviously we don't have much space in the workshop. So, so it's flying by itself completely. It is stable. They pretty much just keeping their hands there just to make sure the aircraft doesn't go sideways. But the basic concept is there. It's lifting 75 kilograms so far without any problems. So we'll do we'll do the 100 kilograms, no problem. All right, so I guess that's pretty much what we do. We build things. I hope that showed you something.
Thank you, Damian. So it's a really amazing, really amazing project. And
all right, and then the usual. We just want to say thank you to you guys. Myself, especially this time around, I have learned so much, and it's been really good fun. I love your product. I love your teaching. I love your teaching material you guys have done. Seriously impressed. So we're hoping to get that into our country very soon. Thank you very much.
Many thanks, and we hope to meet you face to face.
Lovely, guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Damian. Thank you, team from South Africa. Thank you, Jack. Team from India, are you ready? Day or Grahari? Who will be first?
Yeah, can the competitors go first? Can I request the competitors to say something first?
Oh, so it's up to you, but
Yeah,
all teams.
Pavan or Tane, Yash, Prahlad.
Don't forget, you have only 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay, so only one person has to say?
Yeah.
Only one person has to talk,
Uh,
or all the participants are getting the chance?
so it's up to you, really. For us, it's really interesting. What project do you have,
Okay,
and
okay.
what you working?
Sure,
What
sure,
interesting about your laboratory?
sure, sure. So, Pavan or Yash, why don't you show them the IARC AUVSI competition that the team is working on, and I will after that I will also show something. Uh, Pavan or Yash, are you there? Hello, Pavan, Yash from India. Is everyone, Svetlana, you are able to hear me, or only they
Yeah,
are?
yeah.
Okay,
They,
okay.
I hear you, but we don't hear you. We don't see you,
Wait, wait, wait.
competitors.
Actually, my screen is stuck. Uh, okay, so we don't have Pavan and okay, sorry. So, hi everyone. Sorry for the confusion. Actually, I was trying to show you something on my screen, which I can, but I'll just give a brief introduction. So I am leading two teams, a team from IIT Bombay and team from Manipal, and both are leading universities in India. And I work in the educational technology space since the past few years. And I'm also a graduate from IIT Bombay, so I've had interest into drones since then. Now I'm trying to work on how to marry the two interests, like drones and educational technology. So wait, I would just like to show you something. Like there is a community learning platform that we we are using it for other use cases and industries, but we have created some small version for the drone sector. And then there is another project which is into photographic drones, which we want to do for the general public. Like DJI and all are very hi-fi and very hard to manage. So we are looking for more easy to access photographic drones. For that also we are working with uh, the IIT Bombay team, but they are not there right now. So uh,
Uh, we
Just
we
just
don't
one second. Yeah, I'm showing you
the
my screen. Yeah.
okay, we don't see it.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, we see.
Okay, so this is like a learning platform that we have, and there are different topics uh, within this depending on the interest. And here, like something for aerial robotics. where people can share resources, people can play anything, and start learning, just share with their community. So it is different, like you can think of it like Facebook, but it is a completely different platform, like, and you can directly message people. So we will try to see, working with Copter Express and the World Skills, how we can utilize this for the drone education, and I'm happy to discuss more ideas. The team from That's all from my side. So if Tane would like to speak, and Ashutosh and his team.
Yeah. Uh,
Uh,
yeah. Hello, everyone.
Thank you. Yeah. Hello, just a moment tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you,
So,
Uday. So we can discuss with you some projects regarding to the aerial robotics educational some later. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Welcome tonight.
yeah. So, like our team is our team basically is a group of undergraduate students from Manipal Institute of Technology, and we are just a group of students who share a common interest of drones, and like, and yeah, I'd like to share something. So, recently, like past year, we started working on something called as a bicopter. We told bicopter, which was inspired from the Bell Bell Boeing Osprey. So that's what we tried to work on, and we actually started working on this. Uh, just a second, I'll share my screen.
Could you share your screen?
Yeah, just a second.
Have you access to demonstrate your screen or no?
I think there's some not able to share my screen. I don't know why. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
So, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the thing we try to work on. It's a basic. It's a micro UAV. It's not a very big one because we actually have access to limited resources, so we cannot go for very big projects and all. So our team our team try to work on this mini project sort of thing, which where we wanted to develop a fixed wing aircraft which has VTOL capabilities, and tilt rotors are something which is not very much explored. That's why we chose this specific type of configuration, and we started uh, working around this during the months of September in 2019. We did achieve pretty good results, and uh, the first test flight it flew actually pretty good. But yeah, then COVID-19 happened, and like since around March we haven't been able to access our workshop. So yeah, this project has been on hold since then.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. It's really interesting.
Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah. I think Damian can can give you some comments and you can change opinions and experience in the VTOL development process. Okay, so team from India, team India 1 or team India 2, would you like to share with us Ashutosh. So you can write in message, or maybe from anybody from your competitors would like to share with us. Oh, great, great. So thank you, Ashutosh. He wrote the big message in our Zoom chat. He's from University Siviraman, Global University, and they start to open aerial robotics laboratory in their university. And also they have a quick start in aerial robotics skill. It's really amazing too. Okay.
Yeah, Svetlana.
Yeah.
Actually, I heard from the team from India. If you could give me just 1 minute, I will show you their links. They sent me 2 links just to show their work.
Okay.
It will take only 1 minute. I'll show you quickly.
Okay, because we have some time limits.
Yes. They were on the call during the welcome, but because it is some festival happening, they were not able to join.
Oh yeah, I know about your lighting festival. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. So sorry, why is my phone? Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yeah, we see.
All right. So has anyone heard about this competition?
No.
In this group? Okay.
So we have heard about this competition, but we don't have participated in it. Didn't participate.
Okay, so our team is participating in this, and like this is one of the goal that we are working on, and they also have some research opportunities. So like this is one I have been told it is one of the biggest in the world, and this is a bit about the team. So it's an innovation cell at IIT Bombay, and there are 3 areas: autonomous aerial robotics, and self-driving cars, and then there's some design miscellaneous projects. So these are some of the partners like who sponsor and who support the research and all the infrastructure. So so if anyone would like to collaborate, please get in contact with me. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Day. Okay. Thank you, team from India. So, and thanks all for sharing your experience, for sharing your impressions for other people, and it's really great step to next cooperation. And now I would like to give a word Oleg Panfilenak. He's a CEO of COEX, and he would like to share with you some projects from company. Welcome, Oleg.
Yeah, thank you, Svetlana. Yeah, do you hear me clear?
Yeah, we hear you.
Okay, great. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you all the team, and I'm very impressed what have you done in this competition and what you do in your laboratories. Yeah, it's very impressive. We also do something with drones, as you know. Clover, it's our product. It's educational drone kit, and we're very proud of it. And it's something that we very like and very love to do. And it's it's good if you share some ideas and make this product to improve this product, because it's open source and you can do everything that you want together with us. But actually, we're not only doing Clover drones, we also develop some industrial projects, but all of them based on the Clover. Not only hardware, but mostly on the Clover software platform. For example, I will share my screen. Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, great. So on our website, coex.tech, you can see our industrial projects, and we have some projects for aero surveying and for cargo delivery, but now we're very involved in develop our new system for autonomous cargo delivery based on bigger quadcopter. We call it Pelican Mini, but actually based on the same Clover platform, and autonomous Postmate that can change batteries, load and upload packages on drone. And I will show you a quick video on our YouTube channel where you can see how our drone point work. So yeah. So user can put a cargo in a special window, and when a cargo inside, the autonomous systems collect this cargo, and it collects the cargo, put it on a container, and also collect a battery that placed on the lid of this container. And after that, this container with the battery attached to drone, and drone can fly to another drone point to perform this delivery and return back. So using this, drone can perform flying between different postmates, we call it drone point, and deliver packages in fully autonomous mode with autonomous takeoff and landing and release cargo. And more interesting is that it's all working on Clover platform. So using our educational platform, you can do the same projects. And I think personally it's very impressive. And I will glad to work you guys together for on different projects, different competitions, and we will try to support you as well as we can. Because we love to cooperate with you guys together. Okay, so I will stop sharing my screen. Okay, yeah, so thank you very much, and you are welcome to contact with us for cooperate with different projects, especially in autonomous drone area. Okay, thank you, Svetlana, very much, and thank you all the team for participating in our competitions. Yeah, thank you, bye.
Thank you, Oleg. So guys, we can continue. So thank you all for your projects, and thank you, Oleg, for sharing the projects of our company. So next, which I would like to talk with you, this is about some interesting moments. So we know that it is really great that you have different areas of application drones, and it's really great that you have many educational process according to drones, and really great that you now have now you took a part of the big aero robotics community. So now we united 21 countries, and our our big community has more 2,000 people, and it's really great. It's worldwide aerial robotics, amazing. So, and also active developers, active members of our community. It's approximately 200 or 500 people. And these people who work on the Clover platform or open source solutions or any industrial drones, and also it's include you such as the international community of our aerial robotics skill. So, and first of all, I would like to share with you some our educational trajectory. So it's a really great instrument for checking your solution. So using simulation environment, first of all, and next practice on the real drone. And this give you fundamental knowledge about aerial robotics, and it's a really great base to make your projects, and you do it. It's really great. So, and also I would like to share with you some events where you can participate. So first of all, of course, it's events according to WorldSkills Russia. It can be start from 12 years old for students from schools. For students of the university, you can participate in IMF competition. So it includes parts for indoor or outdoor competitions. In Russia, we have organized competition according to aerial robotics skill. So this category of participants is the school and university students too. One of the most famous and upcoming events, it's MBZIRC competition. It will be held in 2021, but deadline of application, it's 30 November. You can apply to this competition and use your solution to perform the task. And of course, competitions, it's a really great platform to demonstrate your skill, but it's very shortly. Also, we have interesting activity for you. If you want to work on your project long time and you want to get feedback from the experts of this area, I would like to invite you to participate in our Copter Hack event. So in this event, you can create something new, or you can use your work, your projects for today. So this is example of the project which have developed by our students. So this project about face recognition system, charging station, human pose estimation for drone control, block programming for children, and also control drone by this special device. And also we have a focus not only for programming and for engineering too. You can suggest any interesting solution for it. So many of you have applied to this event. It's really great. So, but also we have application deadline for now. It's 25 November. And what about timeline for this competition, for this event? So now we in the process of application, and you can apply on this one. So during these months and up to February, end of February, you can work on your project and share with us your step-by-step process, and we will give you feedback of your technology, or maybe we can make advise you how to use another how you can apply any new ideas, or maybe we can give you advice about the new area application of your project. It's a really great and amazing event, because you will get not only hard skills, you will get soft skills, and also you will get interpret skills for business. So you can start your startup, and we, such as a COEX, we can support your project if it will be interesting for us too. So, and finally, the final step of this event, it will be in March 2021. So this hackathon will be in a hybrid format. We will combine online and offline presentation and demonstration of your project. So you can join us. We wait you. Yeah, this is some examples of some projects. So this is in this corner you can find the drone swarms, such as aero taxi urban models. So our students have developed this system, such as a project. And here you can find the project for 3D scanning drones, such as a mobile platform to create 3D model of any objects and people. So, and finally, I would like to remind you about the possibilities of partnership. So with COEX, such as educational industrial partner, we combine all sphere, starting from the schools, includes colleges, universities, and of course, we help you to prepare it specialist who has actual knowledge for the industry. And we are open to cooperation. And before we finish, I would like to share with you one more thing. So today will be a webinar where you can join to this webinar. It will be in 30 minutes. So, and you can talk with our leader software developer of COEX, with Oleg Kalachov. You can talk with him about the Clover platforms and ask the questions directly. And finally, here are our contacts, and you can ask us about anything in any time. So guys, this is our final meeting. I would like to ask you to turn your cameras. And yeah, please turn on your cameras. And maybe you have any questions for today, for our, maybe about the presentation, maybe any questions about other, related to other questions. Hey guys, I see that you some tired. What's happened? Oh, I see smiles. It's okay. Great. Perfect.
Sunday today.
Sunday. Of course. Sunday is a really great day. It's a day to have a meeting with the international community, have a smile, have a good mood, and be prepared for tomorrow for closing ceremony. And some words what I would like to say you, it's really great that you have that we have met on this competition, and I will be glad to see you in our other events. And also, if you have, if you will be, if you will be such as a host of any events, you can invite all of these people to take a part, to take a part for these events. I think it will be really great for all of us. So, guys. You can unmute your microphones and say something. So first of all, I think Nikolai Mayorov would like to say you something. He is the leader of the SUAE Aerial Robotics Laboratory.
Hello, dear colleagues, dear participants, dear Svetlana, dear Oleg. So the championship was very great. You present that our real robotics competence have a very big future. We have so many interesting projects. We will be in cooperation and find a new way in our competence and with the drone systems. I think that the drone systems is the future, for example, in intelligent transport systems, in aero navigation, and this is a very big science field in simulation, aero navigation, and new constructions. So it's really future, and we together work that the future will be now. Thank you very much. You are excellent.
Thank you, Nikolai. Yeah, thank you. Many thanks. Okay, Yulia, Timofey, are you ready to join us with microphone?
I think I'm ready. Hello again. It was a very great experience for you and for me, for every one of us. Well, you're all great, and I already said that, but you all were very interested in what you were doing. So I hope that interest will not go away, and you will keep working and improving your skills, especially in programming and making cool projects. So use Gazebo Simulator. In Gazebo Simulator, you can even construct new types of drones. You can add sensors and so on. So it is all possible. You can learn how to do that. If you need some help, well, you can ask me. If it's not too long, I will give you the answers about that. So I'm really glad that you all are working in that direction. So I hope to see you again many times, and on the next events. I also like international connections, and I would like to visit your countries, or I would like you to visit our country, and so we could have a real life event, not online but offline, which is really great. I love this kind of events, and I hope to see you soon. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Timofey. We hope to provide our next events in offline too with you guys. Okay, welcome, Yulia.
Thank you all for these competitions. It was really great opportunity to me to meet you all. With somebody we was already met, but I saw a lot new faces at these competitions, so I'm happy to join us, and I hope you will with us at the next competitions, and you will improve drones and education in drones. So thank you all for your work, and thank you that you with us.
Thank you, Yulia. Thank you for your support and for support from Timofey and Nikolai. And also thank you all for your support during this competition because all experts was ready to help and was ready to perform the challenge. It's really amazing. And your competitors is very clever guys. Because they perform the task really amazing, really good. So, but of course, all results you will know tomorrow. Okay, guys. So thank you all, and I would like to ask you turn on your cameras and say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And
Yeah,
we
thanks
will-
very much.
Yeah, bye
Thank you
bye.
all.
Thank you all. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you
Bye
soon.
bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye
Thank
bye
you to
bye.
Open Poets. Thank you. Interesting experience.
Yeah, really good. Very great. Okay,
Bye-bye.
see you in next events.
Yeah,
Bye bye,
thanks.
guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Завершишь тогда конфу? Все, спасибо.
А сначала трансляцию остановить или сначала
А я
завершить?
остановлю ее. Да.